guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, my name is Celia. No, I said that wrong. If you are new, welcome. My name is Celia. And if you are returning, welcome back. So guys, today I'm doing a little seafood boil here. I said, why not grab the camera and record while I'm sitting here. I got me a seafood bag from crab, Lou crab, somebody, seafood crab. I don't know. I forgot the name, but like Crazy Lou, his name is. So I already started eating because I bought this last night, but didn't finish it. So I warmed it up this morning, and I'm finna eat because I'm hungry. Anyways, I'm gonna say my little grace, and I already started eating, but I said my grace last night, but I'm blessed again. Lord bless this food, I'm about to eat. Bless the one I eat the meal. God ain't pray. So yeah, what's been going on? I can't talk too loud. Legs in there asleep. Trying to sleep. And this corn is fire. It's spicy too, y'all. I couldn't enjoy my food last night. I had too much stuff going on. Oh, I better give me some water. We started painting this room last night. We already did so. So that's why I couldn't focus. I was trying to study and help paint. We gotta finish it up today. Y'all, it is 8:53 in the morning. And I'm over here wearing this food out. Hold on, y'all, be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm back. I had to go get me a bottle of water. Because this spice is kicking in, sweetie. I love it. These shrimps, I hope they ain't overcooked. So what y'all been doing lately? I ain't been doing too much nothing. Trying to study for this test. I'm just ready to get it over with. So I can just go ahead on and start at the house, y'all. People already been reaching out to me. Want me to help them. So that's a good sign. I just pray I done learned enough on this test. I mean, study to pass the test. Cause y'all, I don't want to go back and take it. I want to go one time, get it over with, and that's it. All these shrimp so good. If y'all in Horn Lake area and like seafood, go try Crazy Lou. Y'all had bought a mic. They didn't send the charge cord. So I'm going to leave a review, let them know. So I'm gonna message them first. Tell them they ain't send me my charge cord. Hopefully they'll be able to send it to me. And then I was trying to use it and it wasn't even. I don't know. I'm gonna play with it again. Yep. About training a car seat, we gonna be riding something. I need to cut her hair. Since she can't go to the barber, the groomer no more. Her get bad stuff, y'all. All these years that I've been going to the groomer. And I know she don't like the groomer. Cause when I be headed there, she be crying. It's like she know what we going through. Took her to the thing, get her hair cut. She gonna pass out on folks. Pass out. Then when I get there, one nothing wrong with her. I said, okay then, you trying to tell me you don't want to be here? So, of course, her daddy see it. Don't take her back. So now I gotta figure out how to groom my dog myself. So I guess I'm gonna get on some YouTube videos and start watching. I bought all the stuff that I needed to do it. So, yeah. I guess I try to do that this weekend. Because I let hair done grow out. Yeah, it's so sunny outside, but it's cold. Then they talking about some winter thing coming through. If it is, gonna be right here in this house. Yes, sir. Y'all, I've been trying to be a little consistent. I think it's been, I don't know how long it's been since I uploaded a video. It ain't been over a month. I know that much. I've been posting my TikToks. So make sure y'all click in the description. Go follow me on TikTok. I'm sorry, y'all. My nose running. Let me get back to the work. Like, I don't supposed to be working. Oh my God, man. Yeah, when that juice get in this corn and then you suck it out of it, oh my God. We hitting the spot. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's enough for me. So, with that being said, y'all, I just want to come on here and say, hey, give y'all the mukbang right quick. Now I'm gonna get back to the work. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all thumbs this video up, comment down below. Let me know what else y'all want to see, and like and share. So with that being said, your girl is out. Peace. Love you guys.